Did you know that your toothbrush only cleans 60% of your teeth? That's like only washing the front of your body and never the back. That's like wearing underwear you only half washed. Ew, that's nasty. I know. And if you feel the same way, just think, what's happening with the other 40%? This is the Waterpik. It's the Cadillac of oral care. And in this video, I'm going to show you why you need it, starting with the 40% your toothbrush is missing. I want to show you everything it can do for your teeth and gums, plus the difference between water flossing and string flossing. I'm also curious to see what this thing can do outside of your mouth. You'll want to stick around for that. Let's see. Waterpik. Holy that's a lot. Chill, sticker shock. We're gonna get to the costs. There are different options to choose from, but regardless, you're going to see why it's worth every penny. You good? Keep talking. All right, like I was saying, if you're only brushing with a toothbrush, you're only cleaning 60% of your teeth's surfaces. That 40% becomes an incubator for lingering food particles and bacteria that live in between your teeth and under the gum line. This can easily lead to plaque accumulation, gingivitis, cavities, gum disease, and yep, you guessed it, halitosis, aka stank breath. But fear not, the Waterpik cleans deep around teeth and below the gum line. Let me show you. This is the Waterpik Aquarius. It comes with 7 tips, a 360-degree rotating tip handle, an advanced pressure control system with 10 settings, and a reservoir capacity of 90 plus seconds. You can store the tips you use most under the lid and switch between floss and massage. In 2009, they did a study that found the classic jet tip removed 99.9% of plaque biofilm after just 3 seconds. That's insane, right? Your mouth will immediately feel cleaner and fresher, like you just came back from the dentist. That's amazing. Does this mean I can ditch the string floss for good? Not exactly. String flossing is great for gently scraping debris out from in between the teeth, and it helps to prevent interdental cavities. Water flossing uses water pressure to remove plaque and debris from around the teeth, gum pockets, and complements the string by flushing out what it loosened up. They're both important. Even though most people know how important flossing is, 32% of Americans do not floss at all, and they suspect 21% are lying about it. And I get it. People don't like to floss. Story time! Okay, I need to fold some clothes, and I want to share a story with you, something very personal. When I share products on this channel, it's something that has very profoundly transformed my life. And this Waterpik, earlier you saw my teeth. There's a lot going on behind the scenes that you don't see. And this is an actual model of my teeth. It's not a little bit. It's a lot embarrassing. Maybe you can relate. There were many nights when I was just too tired. I was exhausted, so I wouldn't brush my teeth before I went to bed. Forget flossing. That was just something that didn't happen often until I got into my 30s and really started taking it seriously because I had no choice. I had done so much damage, so much neglect. And these teeth that I'm going to show you in a minute have such a story of over a decade. It was drilled 3 different times by 3 different dentists as a cavity. 2 other dentists wanted to perform a root canal. Another one thought it would be a good idea to pull it. I mean, the most atrocious solutions till I finally decided I'm not letting anybody touch my teeth. If I did this to myself, I can get myself out of this. There's a lot of dental stress and dental trauma. You know, there's a lot of fear surrounding dentistry and people just avoid the dentist at all costs, but then we pay the ultimate price. So I started oil pulling and I could see the difference in my mouth, but the damage was already way too far gone. So I needed to find someone that I could work with. And I found Oscar in Mérida, Mexico. I don't even consider him a dentist. He's more like a dental shaman. The Waterpik. Where does the Waterpik come into all this? We did some work on these 2 teeth. I got an inlay up here and an overlay down here. It's not a bridge. It's not a crown. There's no implant. There was no root canal. He drilled out everything that was decayed. It was pretty deep, very close to the root, but the root was still alive. he saved my tooth. He saved my tooth. You know how huge that is? Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm not able to floss in between these teeth. Over time of me pulling down could pop it out, even though it's cemented in there. So I do floss up and then I just pull it out, which at first it was kind of like, oh, it's kind of icky, but whatever, you get used to it. And then I use the Waterpik. That's initially why I bought the Waterpik, to help me keep this area clean. I think I got this done in 2000 or 2001. It's been over 3 years. My teeth feel amazing. They look better. They feel better. I haven't had any issues with this dental work, and it's been such a blessing. Every time I use the Waterpik, it's helped me to love my teeth. So grateful that I have it. Okay, I am done with my story. I am done with the laundry. Are you ready to see what else the Waterpik can do? So I asked ChatGPT to give me some recommendations. Number 1, cleaning hard to reach areas around the house. Check. Number 2, cleaning jewelry. Check. Number 3, watering small or delicate plants. Check. Number 4, nasal irrigation. Okay, that's interesting. Number 5, gentle alternative to traditional bidet. No, absolutely not. I'm not doing that. Number 6, cleaning your pet's paws. And number 7, water fight. Check, check, check. Well, that was fun. Hey, so what about the cost? Oh, right. It will cost a bit upfront, but let's put things into perspective. The Waterpik is a one-time purchase that provides daily value year after year and protects one of your most valuable assets, your teeth. So is the Waterpik worth it? I've put the link in the description so you can try it out and decide for yourself. I hope it's now 100% crystal clear why you need the Waterpik. But good hygiene doesn't stop at your mouth. This question is for my humans who bleed. Are your menstrual pads giving you the worst periods ever? Subscribe and join me in the next video to find out.